In this video,
the name of this film is called Idimabom.
Abo.
Okay. Idimabo.
I'm going to show you one of the most ancient food eaten by the Akwa Ibom people.
Now done.
From the special ingredients to the method of cooking.
Specific system of cooking.
Okay.
This food takes uniqueness to a whole new level.
Hello guys, and welcome back to Epic Food Review, a channel where we show unique food recipes and their origins from around the world. So today I have come to Eket local government area of Akwa Ibom State, where I have come to see one of the most local foods Akwa Ibom people have. This food is called Ayan Ekpang and Otong soup. And today we are going to witness the processes of making this food together. All right, Mr. Yuti, you asked me to come here to taste that Ayan Ekpang. Okay, I'm here now. So what do you have for me?
Welcome to Eket, Mr. Epic.
Eket is a local government area located at the southeastern part of Akwa Ibom State. It is a quiet and calm place known for their hospitality and their love for visitors. To get here, we had to pass through Eket local government area, which happens to be one of the most beautiful places in Akwa Ibom State.
UT,
Okay.
so what is this food you asked me to come here and eat?
Well, okay, the name of this food is Ayan Ekpang and
Okay.
Otong soup. The cassava we use to prepare this is prepared with cassava firstly, and the cassava we use to prepare this particular meal, right? It grows locally here. It's not all cassava
Okay.
that you can use to prepare this thing. If you want to use a particular cassava, it might react differently in your body. So it has to be like very specific to this place.
Oh, okay,
Yes, yes,
okay,
yes.
okay. So
And-
the cassava, you can't find it.
And you can find it, you know, cassava, they have different, how do I put it, like different types, right? So this particular one, it can be boiled and eaten like that, you understand? And it will have this yam flavor, right? Yeah, that's the one we use specifically
For the Ayan Ekpang.
Yes, for the Ayan Ekpang, yes. And the Otong soup, right? It has a very complicated process of preparing
What
it.
I'm
That is
going
why
to see
You're going
there.
to see it
All
definitely
right.
for sure, because it is like an ancient soup, like this. It's a very traditional soup, and
Okay.
it is very respected here in this part of Akwa Ibom
All
State.
right.
Yes.
Okay, so this Ayan Ekpang,
Okay.
you said the process is complicated. All right, I would like to know, since it's complicated, is it like a food you prepare on everyday basis, or is there like a special occasion where you will have to cook
Now,
it?
the reason why I said it is complicated is because if you don't follow the processes step by step, you might miss out something. You understand? Most of
Okay.
you will get to see most of the ingredient that is used to prepare this soup. If you are not really careful, you might like not really get the soup, the otong the soup.
Okay.
Yeah, so that is why it has to be prepared by somebody that has this that has the tradition like in them, somebody that was there when they used to prepare it, because recently the soup has been like losing that, nobody really knows about the soup again, so the
Okay.
soup is not really that popular again. So today, luckily, you are here and you are going to see how we are going to prepare it from the ground up, every ingredient individually and how the process is.
Which means there's someone that...
Yes,
Okay.
somebody, yeah, that will
All
prepare
right,
it.
because I know that old people actually are the ones that will have more experience in the...
Yes.
Okay, so okay, it's okay. Let's just go and see how they
For
make
sure,
it. All
for
right.
sure.
The ingredients you need to prepare this food include cassava, plantain leaves, limestone or potash or otong in Akwa Ibom language, crayfish, cow skin, stockfish, any protein of your choice, dry fish, hot leaves or adusa leaves, editan leaves, okra and jute leaves, locally known as udot leaf in Akwa Ibom, and ewedu leaves by Yorubas. For the Ayan Ekpang, peel and wash your cassava. Grate the cassava into rough paste. Wash your cooking pot and line the inside with plantain leaves. Cut your plantain leaves into envelope-shaped pieces and wash them very well. Wrap the grated cassava with the plantain leaves and place them inside your pot. Seal the pot with extra plantain leaves and place the pot on fire. Add a little water and cover the pot to steam. After 10 minutes, add more water and cover the pot to cook through. After another 20 minutes, the Ayan Ekpang is ready. For the Otong soup, start by cutting your okra, editan leaves, hot leaves and jute leaves. Prepare your other ingredients and set aside. Cut and wash your proteins and put them into your cooking pot. Put the pot on fire. Add water, seasoning of your choice and dry pepper. Cover the pot and allow the meat to cook. After 10 minutes, add your stockfish, cover and allow your proteins cook to almost done. Put the limestone into a separate pot and add water. Bring the pot to a boil. When the limestone starts steaming, decant the upper liquid part into your soup pot containing your proteins. Be careful not to allow sand into the pot. Put your soup pot back on fire to continue cooking. From that moment, don't cover your pot anymore to avoid overspilling of the content. Season with dry pepper, salt and any other seasoning of your choice and allow the soup to come to a boil. As the soup starts boiling, add your dry fish and continue cooking. After 5 minutes, go in with your okra and stir very well. Allow the soup to continue cooking without the cover. After another 5 minutes, add your vegetables starting with the editan leaves and then the jute leaves. Stir and allow to continue cooking. After 5 more minutes, add your palm oil and stir to combine very well. After 3 more minutes, add your hot leaves, stir very well, and your oton soup is ready.
Alright guys, the food is here and it's time for us to taste this soup. Let's dig in.
So,
Okay.
You use 2 hands. Two hands. Two
Okay.
hands.
Okay.
You use 2 hands.
Okay, you use 2 hands too.
Yes.
Okay.
Because you cannot leave this thing on forward. You cannot open it with 1 hand. It's only two hands you will use to do it. To open the envelope. This is African envelope.
Okay.
This is long African envelope.
Okay, so this is how they open it.
yep, like an envelope.
Just like an envelope because it is African long envelope. You open it exactly as you are opening an envelope.
Okay.
Then inside it, you see what we put inside and do.
Okay.
You see, the soup is too draw because of what we are using to cook it.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Even you can lick your the whole finger safe because of how the thing is draw.
Slimy.
Yes.
This is very nice. So guys, this the texture of this soup is it's like okra soup or raw soup, but it has like the mixture of different flavors inside here. You know, I can get the okra because they use the okra, so I can get the okra, the taste of the okra, but also the combination of these 3 leaves inside here gave it one kind of, will I say epic? If I say epic now, you people will say it's because it's my channel. Yeah, it gave it one kind of village vibe, like a local. This is really an ancient food. It's very, very nice. I can eat this every day for 1 week.
Really?
Yes.
1 week?
Yes, 1 week. I like it.
Did I get tired?
It's very nice.
So I believe I can ask Mama, what is the difference between this and okra?
Okra soup.
Yes.
Yeah, the difference between this and okra, proper okra soup.
A very clear difference is that ordinary okra soup you will not put limestone.
Okay.
This limestone makes it to have the different taste completely from already.
Okay.
Yeah. Why we call it atong is because of the limestone, and that makes it to have different taste and different flavor, everything different from ordinary okra soup.
Okay. All right, Mama. Beauty has told me some things about this food, but me, I know he's a young man, so he might not know the things that you will know. So, is there any other things you can tell us about this particular food?
You see this long African envelope. When you eat it, you will not have a difficulty in toileting.
Okay.
It give you, it's just like if you are taking fruits.
Okay.
Give you easy toileting.
Okay.
And you don't have any problem within you.
Okay.
This leaf safe has important in somebody's health.
Okay, but I want to know, is it like an everyday food or?
Well, if you want to eat it daily, you can eat.
I want to know is it like maybe occasional food?
If somebody want to do traditional marriage now in our area, they have to cook this.
Okay.
It's a traditional food.
Okay. All right, guys. So here you have it, the Ayan Ekpang, Ayan Ekpang and autumn soup of the Akwa Ibom people. This soup is wonderful. It is delicious and it's also healthy. So if you like this kind of video, do like, share, and subscribe. And if you're on Facebook, follow our page so that whenever we post wonderful food content like this, you'll be the first to know. And always remember, eat to live while I live to eat. I am Mr. Ayan Ekpang. See you next time. Let me enjoy my food.